think. I'm live, I hope. Okay. Okay, I think the chat is coming through. YouTube chat isn't though. Hello? YouTube chat is not appearing. Oh, there it is. It just took a moment. That should be good. We are now live. Do I announce this stream? I don't know. Okay, so what am I doing at the moment? My current status should be at the top right, all the way. Wait, yeah, all the way over there. Retexturing course model. So I may have in the past used, or well, I had this 3D model for a race course. The problem is that I used textures from a game that I don't own, because it was originally a mod for that game. So I'm having to retexture the whole thing, which, you know, fun times. I haven't used Blender in like a while, especially the new Blender. So also, this model was made in like Blender 2.7 or something. So I exported it as OBJ and just re-imported it into a new Blender because I had no idea if it was gonna work at all. Are these triangles? Okay, they're not triangles. Okay, that helps. So yeah, now I'm just using that doesn't work at all. These aren't quads, so maybe I have to just go and like delete all of these. I shouldn't have triangulated it when exporting it, but at this point it's too late. I really should have just, I don't know. It's a really old Blender model. Yeah. Dissolve edges. My mom is shouting in the background, so I'm muted for a moment. She was not shouting at me, but at someone else. So yeah, now I'm using like textures that I found online that say that they are, you know, like public domain or whatever. So I have to find like where these textures align. That should be there. Good enough. Good enough. There. Okay. Then the top part here. Wait, am I not? Oh. Selected the wrong thing. These might be triangles though. Wait. You know what? Let's just see what this is. Unwrap. They are triangle. They're like, ugh. Ew. Alright, hold on. This kind of sucks a lot. Let me just do this. E by selection. I just have this. How do I make this work? Could I, in theory, just grab every second one? Because of... how it works, maybe? Yeah, I think that's good. Yes. Hello, slime server. This is Wicked Woods, you're right. But I am making sure that it's, I am making sure it doesn't have Mario Kart retextures. Wow, this looks awful. Oops. Honestly, good enough. Need to get this right. Good enough. No one's gonna see a seam up there anyway. I really dislike these leaves, but I haven't found a good texture I could use that's also, like, that I can use. What am I missing still, though? The carpet road, yeah. That one kind of sucks. How am I gonna make this carpet road myself? Like, in theory, I could try and make the texture from scratch myself. But, like, ugh. So, I'm trying to recreate Mario Kart Wii Bowser Castle's, like, carpet texture. Obviously, can't just use the real one. Copyright. So I'm trying to create something similar. Now, you could say it's just inspired by what they have. How would I go about doing this? Start off by making a red thing. This is the main, like, carpet texture, I guess. Actually, I would need another red, darker. And do this. I need to find the exact center. Let's see. Now I can like tweak the things. There. Maybe I should just make 1/4 of the texture first. That might be a lot easier, because this is going to be a mirror texture. This will make it a bit easier. So gradient like this. So first, then there is some sort of like golden border around the side of it. Let's check. Yeah. I'm just gonna like do that. Wow, crazy. Then there is like let me check something real quick. Do that, and then I set this to lighten. Can I do that? Right, but it would be like how does that work? Lighten. This isn't working at all, is it? Lighten? Is this any different from normal? Oh, black just isn't visible. Oops. Well, let's just make the thingy first. How do I go about this? We have a repeating pattern. This. I am not good at creating graphics. So it would just have to, let's see. How would I go about this? Let's create just a line that's as thick as the thingy I want it to be. I don't know, that much. let's fill it with black for now. Right, and then I copy paste this across. Then also gotta put this like 64. Like here. And one down. Then I just create a line. Oops. Yeah, graphics and paint.net, baby. I should have just made them, hold on. I should have made it like this, anti-aliasing off. There. That's not thick enough, is it? They're not aligned though. Wait. Can I just take the bottom half? Oh yeah, this fun times. I know how to create textures, right? Okay, then make sure it's not like the background, because I do canvas size increase to like, I don't know, 200. Why did it add? Okay. Screw the background layer. Canvas size 200. Ooh. There we go. Effects, blurs, Gaussian blur. So it's like a little bit blurry. Right, then I can just grab the thing again. Like this. And then now if I just make a big enough empty thingy, I can just yoink it in here. There. Then we can go over here, right? I added this. Oops. I want to just grab this. Ooh, wait. Alright. Modern problems require modern solutions. Copy, paste. I don't see the damn thing. Oops. Normal. Wait, did I not measure it out correctly? What? I didn't measure it out correctly. Uh-oh. That's alright. We're just gonna... Yep. And it's blurred anyway, it doesn't matter. Okay. I invert. Invert? Actually, like, how do I... Dodge, select, glow, overlay. I just want, like, one where it may get lighter or something. Maybe I need, yeah, maybe I need white for that one. Invert colors. Right, I mean, actually at that point I can just do this, but let's... Maybe there's a better... Yeah, like that. That's what I was going for. Okay, maybe it's a little bit too much. Okay, but now I know what to do. Let's scale this down instead. Okay, actually, let's just do height 1000. Okay. I crop this, resize it to 512. Boom. Actually, resize this. 512. There. How about this? Invert colors. Invert. Then apply overlay. Boom. That's probably about it. Now, the problem with the thing on the side is that it has a pattern on it. Obviously, I'm not recreating the pattern. I'm not trying to steal. I'm trying to make something similar. But that is a little bit annoying. Because I can't draw. Let's grab this color. Make it much darker. Much darker. Just draw a line across to the bottom. And maybe I could draw a pattern. What if I draw like a 64 high pattern? Let's see what I can draw. I can't draw for shite. Not gonna line up, is it? It is lining up, nice. And at that point, I'm just gonna like start drawing like squiggles or something like that. This probably will work, right? Hold on. If I'm gonna do something like that, I'm gonna be consistent. The reason why I'm kind of just being like whatever with this I don't want these to be like straight lines, you know? Okay. Just add a boatload of noise to it. Boom. And then we add a blur onto it, which before I do that I should there, and then fill from clipboard, filing, then I do blur Gaussian blur on it. Or I could do something like oil painting over it. No, that's not quite. What the heck is that? Ugh. I just installed a bunch of extension packs. If I like apply like a blur effect and then apply like a sharpen effect, I'm just gonna try a bunch of different effects. Maybe that works. I have no idea. Oh, also, before I do this, shoot. I need to. Oh. Hello. Thank you for the raid, Dan. I'm sorry, I almost missed it. I had a thing over my chat. I don't usually stream a lot. Hello. I'm making a texture. And I really suck at doing graphics. So this is like pain. So let's mix a bit of red in this color. Make it real dark. Line straight up. Slightly lighter like this. Wait, I forgot to apply the noise. Noise. Blur. Then sharpen. Any gameplay to show? I do. Actually, hold on. This model is kind of busted. Well, Re-importing asset, what do you mean? Not good. Godot? Hello? Yeah, the model is not supposed to look so shiny, but I do have some gameplay. Wowie. There is no... I forgot to add actually, yeah, the light is way too dark. I'm kind of in the process of reworking this entire 3D course model because it's using textures from a different game, Mario Kart Wii. And obviously I cannot ship with that. This was originally a mod for Mario Kart Wii that I made, and I was using it to just test my game. Because it was a 3D track model that I had lying around. But obviously I didn't add it to the Git repository, and I won't be shipping with this because some of the textures are not mine, or not like public. That would be copyright infringement, so I can't do that. Yeah, it's also my first time really using Godot. First time trying to actually make an actual game. The blue thingies you see are checkpoints. I can go full screen actually. They're supposed to be the checkpoints. They're infinite planes even though they look like this, but that's just for like when I'm placing them down in the editor, it's easy. The top left you see like the progress through the course. I haven't even added like a finishing a race or whatever, but it's lap, checkpoint number, progress through the checkpoint from 0 to 1. So if I go back, it goes back, and then I reach the previous checkpoint. And then 8, that has to do with key checkpoints, so that's the number, the nth key checkpoint that I'm in, like key checkpoint 8. There's online multiplayer, starting game dev. I have been doing software development for a bit, but I've never done... Okay, I have like dabbled around as a kid with like Game Maker and done a little bit with Unity game engine, but like never made anything more than like just messing around for a bit. And I'm sure my code is bad. Like I don't know like how you should code for games. But I'm doing what I can while I'm looking for a job in software development. So, Lego Racers. Is that the game that I'm thinking about? Like the actual Lego Racer? Yeah, dude. I played that as a kid. That was one of my favorite games I played when I was younger. Lego Racers 1. Yeah, hold on. YouTube video link. Can't wait for that to be Rickroll. No, okay. 20-minute video.
Mario Kart is the best-selling racing game of all time.
Lego Racers can't be made today. I'll add it to my watch later. It's a fun game. I was in a community that tried making mods for the game because I'm pretty sure there are not that many mods for the game. Yeah, it kind of stopped at some point. I stopped caring about the game. I was into modding it for a bit. But yeah. It was unique. I don't know in what way it's really unique then. I'll watch the video later at some point. Thanks for the video recommendation. So this game, this basically just like a tech demo. Like I'm just working on like the basics of the engine. Eventually, I'm building on top of Godot, of course. I'm using Godot's physics engine. Yeah, player-to-player collision is something I need to work on. It sort of works, but not really. Sticking to the road. It was jank. All my code that does the physics for the car, massive jank. It's a lot of jank. Ooh. With my like rudimentary knowledge of 3D vector maths and stuff. Ooh. This is just like what's it called? A rigid body that I'm just adding. I'm setting the velocity every frame and letting the physics engine do its calculations. It's a whole lot of jank, but it's working. So I feel like it's not bad, but it didn't have the thing that it didn't have the things I've wanted for it. Import bolt physics. I don't know. It used to. I think it used to have its custom. It used to have. I didn't use Godot much. What I read is that they used to rely on like an existing physics engine, but since Godot 4 or something, they only have their own physics engine now. I'm sure that you can like get something else. I don't really care too much. I'm basically running my own kind of physics or a bunch of calculations on velocity on top of the actual physics engine of Godot. I mean, it's just a hobby project. I don't care about like making it super great. The end result, like the reason I'm making this is to try and like eventually make like a kart fan game of a Japanese game called Uma Musume, which most people probably don't know. It's about anthropomorphized racehorses. Let's keep it at that. But it'd be fun to make like a fan like kart racing game based around that. There's a lot of unique things. Like I'm planning on adding like unique items or something per character. Like each character has a unique item. The character cast is super diverse, so we can come up with lots of stuff. Me and a friend group that play that game, so yeah. So yeah, I mean, you can also, I mean, that makes it pretty obvious that these aren't my textures. This is not my game. Or what? This isn't what am I saying? Well, the textures don't come from my game. This comes from Nintendo, and that's why I definitely don't want to put this in my public repository. That's why I'm working on retexturing the whole course. I feel like it's a bit too bright right now, but yeah. Some of the textures are like mine. Some of the textures are I found online and I just applied filters over them. Some I didn't apply filters over. I don't know. I'm trying to speed through this. I say that, and yet here I am making like complicated like texture stuff. Did I once again not calculate it correctly? Gosh darn. I'm an idiot, aren't I? Actually, maybe I think it does line up actually. Well, there it is. Now I want to add. Let's save this. Carpet. I want to merge these together. Then apply a bit of noise to this one as well. My plan was to, let's see if that works. Like, I think there's too much. Wait, just painting. Yeah, the brush size is like, that's small enough. What does that do actually? Ooh. What? I could just leave it like this. Go. Hopefully it will all just import. This model doesn't look so bad because the textures don't match at all. I don't have a creative vision. I can't do like I suck at texture stuff or whatever. The image editor is paint.net. The 3D modeler is Blender. I don't have Photoshop. What I make do? Right, I'm making a new texture. No, hold on, what am I doing? This is road carpet. That is not working. That does not line up at all. I'm actually stupid and dumb. Carpet.png. Did I save it as a PNG? That's carpet2.png. Whatever. I'm dumb and stupid, so I need to change resize. Nope. Canvas size 512. Stop. There. Pizza is great. I've like heard about it, but the thing is, I'm used to this. I can't draw, so I don't care. I'm not like using a brush to draw stuff. I can't draw for crap. So I'm not like looking for Photoshop in that sense, but Photoshop has been very useful for like doing like or Photoshop Photo P, which is a mimic of Photoshop for like doing texts with effects on them, like outlines and gradients and stuff. I tried using GIMP, but dude, I don't know how people can recommend GIMP. It's not like Photoshop at all. Photo P does it much better, although Photo P is closed source and it's not open source and it has ads on it. But it does the stuff that I need it to do, so that's why I use it. Image reload. There we go. It's all too. Let's see. It's a bit too squished. I'm pretty sure that original texture was like half the height of this, so I'm gonna have to rescale it, but that's okay. Copy, and this is like road freak. I think that's most of the carpet road done. Yeah, the texture. I realize now that I need like a different color for it actually. So this is good thing I saved it as carpet 2 because now I can make a carpet 1. So did I change the shoot. How did that happen? Hue saturation. Purple and slightly darker. There. I saved it over the same freaking image. Carpet 1. Save this as carpet 2. Yes. Yes, that is indeed, I'm trying to recreate the Bowser Castle texture. I don't know if it's too close, you know, but like, I don't want to use the actual texture because that's copyright infringement. This one's inspired by it. It's not the same. It's just very similar. It's very similar. But that was kind of, I didn't want to like ruin the style that I had here. Hold on. Carpet 1. There. Select carpet 1. But then for the bottom floor, we can say carpet 2. Road carpet. Grab the image texture. That one. Yes. Yeah, it's definitely specular off. like it's maybe too bright. Oh well. Okay, what textures am I still missing? Yeah, this is gonna suck. Touch grass. Oh, there's so much grass on this stage. Oops, there's some untextured. Oof. UV mapping is busted. Oops. Did I just never like unwrap this part? Great music to go along with this. No one's gonna notice that it's like not exactly identical. Grab the stuff around it. How does it fit in here? I mean, it doesn't matter as long as it's like roughly the same scale. Wait, where does this go? So it opens up, it would go like, that doesn't matter. No one's gonna notice a difference. Ah. Okay. I don't know about this fence though. There's two fences here. I'm gonna need to find like a fence texture that's publicly available. I found like opengameart.org texture, search for fence. Yeah, this kind of sucks. So originally it would look like, oop, oh please, it's gonna do this again. See if I can show, yeah. There we go. Right, it's there's no transparency, but that's what it's supposed to look like. How do I find that? Yeah, that's kind of a problem, huh? Not dox anything on stream or something. Let's see what I had in here. I don't like realistic textures. I kind of don't want realistic looking textures. I think someone else made here. Yeah, it's all not quite. This kind of sucks. There's like wood planks here in theory. I could just like make the texture. Try and recreate the texture from just wood textures like this. Let me open the original texture then, so I can compare. I'm not trying to steal, I'm just trying to look. I need it to like match so that I don't need to. Oh, that's really funny. This is both the starting line and the wood post. So I'm gonna have to recreate that. Okay, so this is the size the texture is gonna have to be. Gonna yoink a plank. I can't see it. This is how we do. We actually just like create the texture out of Goes up like that. Dang, plank. This music. Time to restart it. Just grab a different plank. Perfect. We'll grab one more. Oops. Supposedly these textures loop, so I can just do this. There we go. Now to sort of paint, like, let's see, if I do hardness small. You found shadowing one of the lists you're currently working on at your job. Hello, shadowing. Wonderful. Oh, that's horrendous. Hold on. There. Like, just add a little bit of shadow like that. Meh. Let me just make this big enough so I can just do that. Right, and I can then say, like, overlay. Yeah, I want it to, like, hold on, darken. I want it to, like, not do the parts that are transparent. Additive, nope. XOR, nope. It's annoying. Okay. Instead, then, I want it to be overlay, because that looks pretty okay. I just need to copy and paste. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Object. Paste alpha. So current alpha channel current. What? Why did that happen? Just trying to paste in the alpha. Hold on, is that not going right? So replace current alpha. Multiply? Minimum? What's looking better? Multiply for sure. Okay. Bam. There we go. So I need to delete this part. There we go. Okay, then let me grab like a part like this. Right, and let me paste this in here. Rotate it. Then, oh, I want to paste this on a different layer. This is how we create textures. Yep, surely. So, hold on. This is why I probably should be using Photopea for this, but I find Photopea a bit more annoying to work with when it comes to like like making something pixel perfect and whatnot. I'm gonna chop off this, then I'm gonna chop off this and plunk it on this end, chop off this and eat it on this side. And then I'm gonna just copy, paste, move down. and then stretch it slightly. Yeah, okay. Good. And we do this. There. Aha. Okay, now we just need the... Does paint don't have alpha masking? No. As far as I know, no. That's why I have the plugin that pastes alpha. Yeah, this is... It's a very rudimentary program. I should be using like Photopea or whatever, but... I don't know. I've worked with this for a long time. I should be saving this, by the way. So like... I'm fine. Okay, now... That gonna be annoying. Okay, idea. Let's create a new Blender scene. Just make a new one. Delete everything. Make a cube or plane, sorry. Right. Yeah, that's not gonna work, is it? Well, can I... Wait. Couldn't I... What is the key for this? There we go. It is Control F. And I. There. Should make it like a different-ish color. Whoa. Blender didn't like that. Add a light, sun. It should probably come from this direction. Let's see. This is how I make textures, right? You just be inventive. I use 3D models for our textures. Heck yeah. How do I? Yeah, here we go. Nope. Subsurf. Where is that? There. That's not quite what I'm going for. Simple. That's also not quite what I'm going for. What the heck? You know what? Maybe this will be fine, honestly. Add a camera. Camera is never positioned directly by default. Orthographic. Render scale. I mean, I'm gonna crop the heck out of this anyway. I mean, this is it. So we just render this out. Sorry, mistake. I always forget where to find this. First film. No, not film, but also transparent, but also color management. Ah, standard. There. Save as chevron. Oh. Look, that's that. Now we can go back to this one. Back into here. Open. There's a chevron. So let's go ahead and apply a like if I do like a black to white filter, like just like this. Okay, hold on. All the way around. That's not really quite what I'm looking for. Why is there still... Why can't I see it on the background? It's not fully transparent. It is fully transparent. How do I do this? What the heck? First, let's just copy and... Oh, is it because I'm not doing 100%? Well, let's do the paste alpha replace alpha channel from this. So now we have like just that, right? Yeah. There. That's basically what I'm looking for. Okay. How big is it gonna need to be? 125. Hello, harm. 125 by 60 or something. Boom. Let's do like based onto here. Oh, that's a bit too bright, is it not? The rest of the image is like way darker. Honestly, doesn't even look that bad. Oh, hold on. Apply this first. Hue saturation. There. Cool. Now, oh, I saved this to PDN. Shoot. I wish I could like save in between steps like all the time. Okay, now we have this. Okay, let's delete this one. Image canvas size, a height of like 256 or something. So in here, I need to get a checkerboard pattern for the start finish line. And I mean, I can just do it like this. I don't know what's halfway actually. This. I might have counted wrong. Yep, I did. One pixel too much. Okay. What? What? Why am I on a rounded rectangle all of a sudden? I mean, this is obviously like worst case scenario checkerboard pattern for the starting line, but I can't be bothered right now, so let's save this as PNG. Oop. Button. Let's close all this. Bye bye. Now, fence. Base color image, open. There we go. And the thing with the starting line is I gotta do the same thing. So this one's actually a road start line. But I can grab the same base image, fence 2. There we go. It's shaping up. What textures am I still missing? There's still a wood texture here that's missing, but I think I can just like... this is like wood or something. I think I can just grab a texture that I already used. Okay, there's still this that's missing. There's this that's missing. The boost panel that's missing. The rim of the boost panel. Gotta check my old model to see what the heck that is all about. Added a rim to the boost panel? Oh shoot. Oh, that one's gonna suck. I'm gonna just delete that. I'm actually just gonna delete that. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that border. So, join this. So that means, it's deleting this vertex. Or, hang on. Merge by distance. Then grab these. Assuming I can't, can't just dissolve this. Yeah, it has to go. Bye bye. There we go. Okay. Main important texture that's missing right now is this. That one's gonna be a bit annoying. Let me open my textures thing. I mean, I've got plenty of like rock wall textures. But I'm gonna have to like apply like a grass texture on the top of it. I mean, I don't have to really. Okay, let's. There we go. While we this will do for now. I don't want to put that much time into this. Image texture, rock wall. I feel like the texture is going like the wrong way around. Yeah, let's rotate that 90 degrees. Makes a bit more sense, maybe. Okay. So we're still missing this. Now this is a bit annoying. This texture is annoying. I'm gonna retexture this anyway. Let's see here. I might have to just make a new texture for this. How am I gonna make this texture work? Um, it just needs to be an arrow, but you know what? Let's just do something here. Make it a filled rectangle. Just gonna be thick arrow. And then we need this one. Am I gonna know if this is centered ever? Okay, how do I make this work? Let's do funny business. So paste and then object, outline object. We just add a black outline to the object. That's okay. Then we actually just delete the non-black outline. We just do. We add a red outline. Um, that should work. Then how do I actually make this work then? Now I just grab this and go here and delete. Boom. Now we have a nice arrow. Wowee. That's it. Like, that's the texture. Pretty easy. I need a black background to compare this to. I can't see. So then roughly select it, resize it to something that makes sense. Boom. Ooh, why is that so off? Well, good thing we can manually adjust. It doesn't matter that much. Okay. Boop. Save this as road arrow. So I'm gonna need to select here the parts that where's the other parts in here? Yeah. B by selection. Now we only have the arrows part. Yeah. Base color image. Arrow. Cool. Let's see what the... Yeah, so that's like obviously not correct yet. There. That's a bit annoying. Right, maybe because the previous texture wasn't like this. That's okay. Delete. Dissolve edges. Oh. I mean, it's okay. Oops. Hold on. Delete faces. These can actually just go. Faces. Faces. Oops. There. I don't have the chat open. There's no one else. Okay. So now I just kind of eyeball this and then delete faces. There we go. I think that one's cutting it very close. Can I grab this and like that? Okay. Voila. So there's still the jump pads left. Could use the chevron PNG for that one actually. I just do, I can just new. Actually, I'm gonna make a new one. Reset stupid physics. Let's see what this looks like first. Fill from clipboard. Boom. Probably fine. All right. This is like trick. Small trick. Color, image, open. That one. Right, now. Yeah. Over here. Oh. Yikes. Oh, hold on. Okay. Go away. Why does that happen? Kind of dissolve this edge and just like, why? Why does it, what? Okay. Cannon can go though. Hang on. So. Okay. Cool. So what else is left? There is still a. Let's see. This, but corner size. That needs to be just the outline. Actually, what does the texture look like? Hang on, I gotta check. So the chain is kind of works in a funny way. Okay, hang on. So the chain. Let's say the chain goes like all the way to the edges. Then it kind of it goes like this. Should work, I hope. Save this as chain. Okay, then chain. Might have to completely texture these. Yeah, wait, I can't see though. Oh shoot. Okay, Aha. So if the yeah, should be okay. Yep. Cool. Assuming it's correct on all of them. Yeah, so if there was transparency, then like they would like hook onto each other very nicely. Okay, almost done. What the heck do I put on this thing though? Just yoink a clock face onto it for now. That might be the best option. Now it becomes a clock tower. Also this, I don't know. And you can't copyright a rainbow texture that I just copy pasted off the internet, right? Oops. Yeah, that's a rainbow texture. That's just gonna be that for now. Like the boost thingy. For now, it's just a rainbow texture. I'm not sure. I don't know about like animated textures yet, so I'm not gonna bother. I think the final texture is the clock face. I mean, it wasn't a clock face in the old version. Just the sky. Right, isn't there supposed to be a skybox? It's not here now. I'm not gonna, I can't like, I don't have a skybox texture anyway. I'm just gonna yank a clock face onto it. There exist clock faces. Like it's just a texture. Let's see, this is. realize that this is like right. I realized that I probably need to add a bunch of licensed stuff to the repo as well. It probably doesn't matter if I don't do it right now, but a bunch of these textures, while they are from opengameart.org, they usually looks like they will require attribution, so I will definitely do that. Not right now. I mean, I'll have to set up a document or something, so old clock. So let's plonk a clock on this thing. Well, I think that is all textures replaced. Right, I forgot about the road. The road needs some adjustments. Scale X or Y, 0.5. Yeah, that's probably better. Ooh. Yeah. Wait, but why doesn't it line up? It's like that whole part is like wrong for some reason. Yeah, I don't know. This is a pain. Oh well. I'm not gonna bother fixing other stuff for now. Oh, also this, although this one looks kind of odd. Okay. I think that is most of the stuff done. Back to Godot, I guess. Oop. Now it's okay if it imports, blah blah blah. So question is now, like, this one has to go. So we need this one. Now, can I just add this as is? Ooh, okay. Right, so we had like scale 5, 5, 5, yes. The rest should still be correct. It is very bright. Like, very, very bright. Okay, most things are working properly. Things are way too shiny though. How does this even work? Okay, let's save this as assets, course, there. So I'm assuming I can then just yoink this one in here. Let's go in here and set the transform to. Okay, grab all of this, and we create a tri-mesh static body for all of them. Let's try. That's not good. Like, why do we not have collision anymore? Okay, you know what? I think I know why. So, probably they're not on the right, like, thing, so static body. Can I just, like, grab all of them, or do I have to choose all of them manually? Ay. Hang on, I know why this is happening. Oh, this is a pain. Ooh. There has to be an easier way to do this, right? So inside collision, it is on the layer, it has to be on layer static. And it collides with player and opponents, and not with other static. Right there. Hey, there we go. Oh. Yeah, nothing is road. Okay. Now I have to do the whole thing again that I've been doing already. Yikes. Select everything that's road and add stuff to it. Also, things like the water does not need that static body. Wait, like, isn't it missing stuff? Let's go back. I have to open the old one. This one. Right. Or not. Scenes. Desktop. Yo. Why is... Oh, hold on. There we go. So, we have... this. Collision check. Right, hold on. None of these have... Wait, they do have... Huh? I don't understand. Oh, they're not showing up because I was filtering them. I am actually just dumb. Okay, that's fine. In fact, I do just need the static body, so let's take a look here. Groups. Actually, let's manage groups. Let's add a group called floor. Add, and then static, and just all of it. Add. You know, so now I just grab the individual non-floors. Just add wall to them. Things that don't need collision, like the treetops. I'm assuming that's the treetops. This does not need collision whatsoever. Hello? What did I do before? Tree, static body, delete. The water, static body, delete. Other things that I don't want to collide with is this chain. What I don't want to collide with is this as well. Rest is fine, probably. That needs to be a wall. This needs to be a wall. Okay, you know what? I keep adding the stupid static bodies. I just need to make sure. Hold on. Can I just add it to this? Nope. Dang. That's annoying because every time I click on it, it becomes the freaking... whatever. So what else needs to be a wall? This needs to be a wall. This needs to be a wall. Oh, shoot. Anything else that needs to be a wall? Cannon trigger. It's cannon trigger. Static body should just be disabled. Collision shape disabled on. Let me just hide this. Anything else that needs to be a wall that isn't a wall? The tower. Why is that a separate thing? This stuff. Okay, close this. We're going back here. Actually, nope. All of these things have materials. And this material, edit this one. And it should be inside of like materials in here. So if I, for example, I take, I don't know, grass, going into Vito, where's this? Metallic 0. Roughness 100. So now I want to set that to like everything. Hang on. There. I need to make sure that I'm like not importing anything that I shouldn't. I would like to publish this on the repo real quick, so I'm just kind of saving my progress, if that makes sense. So, commit And boom. So now finally the track is actually on the repo. So before now you couldn't actually play even if you looked at the code in the repo because the track was missing. Well, not anymore. Since it's all custom textures now, which is nice. Okay, so what was this again? Roughness. Roughness to 0. What did I do for the grass? Yeah, roughness is 0. Roughness is 0. Do I like add that to the thing? Can I just add this to every single one? Do I have to manually do this? Oh, jeez. Find and replace. Well, I can show what I'm doing. Find in folder, resource, replace with resource. New line that. How can I? Oh no. I don't want to do this manually. Oh my goodness. Yeah, dang. I'm gonna have to manually do this. Oh. Not fun. Been streaming for almost 2 hours. Thanks. So, roughness. I set that to 0 for everything in here. Like, I'm assuming I can't select multiple and set this. Yeah, no. Yay for 1x1 freaking, There doesn't seem to be a better way. I could write a Python script for Blender to do it, but also that would take more time than me just doing this. Has it done it for everything? Nope. No, it has not. I guess I gotta re-extract all the materials? Um, the answer is nope, it didn't change anything. Nice. Yikes. Bro. Already external, what? For goodness sake. Or maybe I don't want to do external textures. Oh, yikes. Lovely. Going through every freaking thing again. Man, I love Godot. Surely I'm just doing things wrong. Maybe the best option was to not make them external, so that as long as I edit them in Blender, they will always re-import correctly. Maybe that is the way to go. So now I can just delete the matte folder. So once again, we go here, we go this one. Nope, sorry, we don't go here. This one's based on that one, but we go into not assets, but scenes, levels, race, that one. Okay, go here. So like this thing uses this thing, which is this thing. Zero. Now what about this one? Zero. Okay, and I don't want to edit these, so I want to edit them in Blender at most. Like, I want to make something different, then I should edit them in Blender. Right, that's basically what it looks like right now. So if I want to, let's say, I'm going away from here, away from here. Let's open up, yeah, the actual, like this is the course map, or the course with all the stuff for the actual track. Let's say I wanted to make these things transparent, because clearly they are not. Right? I would assume I'd go into just Blender. I'd go to there, I'd go to this thing, and I would say like alpha clip. Alpha clip. Doesn't look like anything's happening in Blender though, it kind of concerns me. Oh, there we go. Yes, okay. So, completely ignore materials inside of Godot, only do it inside Blender. There's weird shininess on everything still though. Don't know what to do to like remove that. Sheen tint. Oh, it's like still there. Maybe it is the roughness setting, maybe it should just be 1. Yep, okay, it's the roughness setting. So sheen tint can still be 0.5. Well, time to go through everything again. Set it to 1 instead of 0. Well, this is me figuring out like how all this freaking material stuff works. Wait, did I really miss these as well? For goodness sake. Why does my cursor just like fly to the other side of the screen? Some of them have the same material, that's why. Okay, save, go back, and now all the sheen should be gone, hopefully. Yes. Okay, so tree wall has an issue. I kind of don't want it to be like settings. Like transmission. You tell me what that does? Like if I just do 1, what happens then? Just messing with materials and seeing what happens. No difference. Okay, instead, let's... Because I guess the light stuff is all done inside of Godot though. So if I just grab this... Global illumination, no. Shadows, here we go. Disable receive. Still not, like, I want this wall to, like, not, Cast shadow, shadows only, off. I wanted to cast shadows. Material overlay. Well, shit. I don't know how to do this. Unshaded. 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 Is that a thing here as well? Nope. Hello, Emil. Welcome to the stream. I'm just messing with materials. Okay, hold on. So if I just take the tree wall and I save as a copy. Load that one in, and then I unshaded. Hey, Yes. Okay. Potentially I could change the brightness with this. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Finally, the thing that I wanted it to do. This stream is going off like 2 hours, more than that. Oh wow. Alright. New course model. It feels very bright. Alright, I realized some issues here, so I'm going up to assets, course, Wicked Woods, Blender file. So generate level detail, no. Create shadow meshes is fine. Animations I don't really care about anyway. Everything else should be okay. Have to hit re-import. I don't want levels of detail. So yeah, whew. Finally, gosh darn, the stream's going on for 2 hours. Finally, I got my. This is my Mario Kart Wii custom track, Wicked Woods, but I had to retexture everything because it's Nintendo textures, and I can't use that in a open source game project, of course. It's just a course model that I use because I had it lying around. Direction. I had it lying around, so I'm using it for testing my own game. I should probably just hide the checkpoints from being visible. Yeah. Right, the water isn't like... Oh, it is slightly semi-transparent. Wow, from the bottom, how does that even make any sense? What the heck? From the top, it is not transparent enough at all. I wonder if I can, like, live update, right? Let's say I go to Blender. Right, I go to Blender, I grab the water. The alpha, I said it was like 0.6, right? And then I just save it. I go back into Godot, and Godot should re-import it. Does that happen while I'm playing? I'm waiting. It probably doesn't work while I'm playing. Also, is there a gap in the road? Oh no. A gap in the model? Is it all the way? Oh no. Are there more gaps in the model? Oh no. Why are there gaps in the model? That's very not good. Very not good. Oh well. Looks like an S64 game. It's going to be a low poly game, if anything, so that's alright. Did I just move the grass down slightly or something by accident? Oh no, there's gaps everywhere. What the heck? Whoa. That might have been when I exported it to OBJ. Ah, shoot. I can probably fix that, so I'm not gonna worry about it too much. Oh, these things don't have transparency yet. Oops, these ones don't either. And why is that white? Is that the beginning of the next? Oof. What the heck? That didn't look like that in Blender. I think. Whoops. I have to check that out. Ugh. So with the collision. Oh. It's working. To a degree, that is. Okay. What's happened to that top of the clock tower? What the heck? Hello, what am I selecting? It is not. Godot is busted. What's happening? Oof. I hope it's not busted forever. I hope that was just a temporary thing. Okay, it was a temporary thing. What the heck is going on here? Did it just... Wait. Why is it just like there? What? Why is it just there? Light baking disabled. How about that? It looked like it imported those from... Oh, come on, it's busted again. Oh, what? What? I have this thing installed. This is... Windows search, man. I just type in Godot like I normally do, but it's just like this time it's like, oh, I should open it in Bing. Even though you have a software installed that has the exact name. Oh, shoot. It's still not there. It's still there. Like, why would it be there? Oh, what? What? Huh? It looks like it has that. What do you mean? What do you mean? Why is that there? What is happening? What? What? What the frick? What in... What the heck has happened to the normals of this thing? What the... You mean smooth reset? Yeah, what? What? My gosh. Okay, it's just a weird normals issue, but okay then. Okay, I'm gonna have to just edit this texture. Record text. Arrow. Just gonna like slightly scale it down, I guess. This should make sure the issues kind of disappear. Save and close, and then it should re-import. Well, I don't know what the heck was going on with the normals on that thing. Oh, did it undo the unshadedness on this thing? No. Well. Right, so another thing I was having issues with here. First of all, I think the cannon is the only thing that I didn't give, like, actual things. So cannon. Now, I'm gonna grab, like, everything and join. Then I'll just say... Oh, it's gonna rename everything, isn't it? Oh, shoot. Okay, hold on. Just grab everything. Merge. So supposedly there's little gaps. Doesn't look like it to me though. That is not a gap. That must be a Blender Godot Blender import gaps. Gap between imported faces that wasn't there. Because mesh compression is turned on. I do not want mesh compression turned on then. Compression? Force disable compression. Yes. Screw that. I guess it was because, okay, so it made the mesh smaller in file size by like rounding the thing slightly differently, but because they were in separate objects. Oh, that was bad. What the heck? I hope there's no gaps in the... I hope these also regenerate. Do these regenerate? Can I tell? I don't think so. Oh, yikes. That's horrible. Then now everything's messed up. Thanks, Godot. I'm assuming if I now grab all this and I just do like... Can I update the tri-meshes? Are there now two? There are now two. Oh, man. Bro. What the hell? Well, there went my controller. Oops. I forgot I had my controller sitting on my leg. That's fun. Ah, I had to redo everything. God, gosh dang it. That's kind of pissing me off because I don't know why it doesn't just regenerate them on the fly. That kind of sucks big time. Before I do this, I need to make sure that I check that this is actually, like, this has fixed the issue. Are there now still gaps in the model? If there are, they're ridiculously tiny. Before I do this, let me check, like, actually all the settings and stuff. I mean, this should be okay. Oh. Delete. Once again, manage groups. More static. These don't need a collision. Wood fence is obviously a wall. Ruins road, ruins wall. Pumpkin is a wall. Also physics material. Bounce 0.5. Sea texture doesn't need a wall. Tree, which one? Okay, doesn't need a collision. Trick branch. Tree tops can just be floor. Castle, road, side. Needs to be a wall. Castle under road. Under road. Probably also a wall. Road, bridge trick. Bridge wall. Also road trick. Actually should be like small trick, shouldn't it? Yeah, small trick. Road trick. So small trick. Chain doesn't have collision. Cannon technically needs to be an area, so we just disable this one. Hide it. What's the groups for? That's the way I'm deciding collision. Maybe I need to do this differently because oh my, this is a pain in the bum. So this is currently how I'm doing collision detection. A static body can just be in one or more groups. Road, no grass. What the heck? Where the heck are these from? Oh well. Sand road. Sand off road. Road trick. Small trick. Wait, hold on. Dirt road trick. Where? Oh, yep. First wall. It's a wall. It's a wall. It's another wall. Start line, tower, roof, king, boo. Can be a wall. This is actually the clock face. Tree 1 is a wall. Should have named these a bit better so I didn't need to bother. Tower, roof. Lord Deco. I think it's small trick and also boost. Okay, so thank goodness. I think that is mostly done now. Yeah. Oh, right. The same thing again. Static body. So if I filter like this, right? If I do shift and do this. Ah, thank God. I am so dumb. Okay, I can do that. Oh, jeez. That's fine. Collision, layer, static. There. Go. There we go. Freaking finally. There's no sky yet, but there's gray backgrounds. So now I can like trick off this, and then I get a little boost when I land. There's no real indicator for the trick other than you look at the top left of the screen, and it says trick input detected, and also prints. I should stop printing the freaking progress every time, but You can trick off these things, and when you land, it gives you a boost. Right, I still never made these transparent. But I hope it all works now. This won't be like this later on. It should be a cannon, like it should shoot the player towards a certain position, but that's for later. I haven't implemented that yet. I should definitely have a minimum airtime counter on these tricks, because you can just hold up on them and it just doesn't... you can just get boost easily. But it's all working now, and the textures are all replaced. Now whether it looks good, that's easier to... I mean, yeah, it's not great. The textures look very, like, inconsistent. But at the very least, I've got something. Like the grass brightness on the side here. I could technically just lower the brightness of the grass texture and to kind of match, maybe. Anyway, doesn't matter. I think the road is just too bright in general. Maybe I should... yeah, it's all too bright. But yeah, again, I should disable the checkpoint visibility. Oof, what was that? Kinda got stuck on something. Yeah, my collision engine isn't that great. Also, I should do the thing I did before. Grab this. Oh shoot, I'm doing it in the wrong place. So go here, grab this, and then grab the collision, and like, just like make it go down very slightly. That's the, wait, that's a Y? Oh gosh, because it's, because it's Blender. Ugh. Should be fine. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it is currently. Let's see if the bounce still works. Boing. Yeah, I mean, it's working. Did I not hide the cannon? Wait. Oh no, what? I keep looking at the sky and it's like... the sky is so darn gray for some reason. I don't know what sets the sky. Godot sky color, like, what is that sky? Yeah, but where? Sky? No. Default clear color. Can I like add a sky? Sky? Sky. New sky? Sky material? Oh my goodness. Oh my. Uh-oh, what's... It's gone busted again? Never had this before until now. I guess the blender thing is really messing with Godot. Sky... Procedural sky color. Like... You gotta make that much, much brighter and nicer. Yeah, maybe that's... Oh my gosh, that... What the heck? That may be a bit too much of an effect on the players, you know? Ambient light, source, background, sky. Let's like not do that. Well, I mean, this seems to be fine. Oop. Maybe it's just too bright, like almost cartoonishly, so... I mean, this is meant to be a cartoonish style game in the end. The fan game I might be making it, or the thing I'm making it for. What the heck? Okay. Can't have it be just incredibly dark in there. Make sure I save this. Also, ambient occlusion makes sense. How big should this be? I mean, things are working alright. Okay, so save the camera, close. We don't need this. So, let's go back into Blender. There's two more things. First of all, I think the clock I might want to do unshaded. How did I do this again? Right, I did that in Godot. So this one, we go into alpha clip, shadow mode. Can I like disable shadows in this thing? Alpha clip. Alpha clip. Alpha clip. How do I not cast a shadow on a make object not cast a shadow in Eevee? Material settings, shadow, none. Oh, that makes a lot of sense. Duh. Set shadows to none. Shadows to none. Okay. Save, close. We go back in here. Did you just undo the things? Oh. Free wall, material override. Unshaded. I mean, it shouldn't. I think it's just kind of. There we go. For the clock. Let's see. Go here. Then we override. Oh shoot, I extracted the shadow mesh thing, didn't I? My bad. I got the clock material. I can say unshaded. Oop. Now it's super bright. Could in theory set things to like tune shading or something. Alright, I think I'm basically done for now. That's what I wanted to do in this stream. It's taken almost 3 hours. But there we go, the new 3D models here and all the textures. All the shaders and stuff. Underwater isn't there yet though, hold on. I'm gonna have to go into this one. I think I made it part of this, which is not great. Water, copy. Where's this even located? Water. Where is this water? Ooh. I might want to put that in control. Control water. Where did that just go? Okay. Then I just copy this and plunk it into here. Oh, it might need to be like scale 5? Yeah. Okay. That's like the final thing. So now when the camera goes underwater, it should go slightly bluish. Hooray. Right, stream is over. Time for me to take a break. I didn't drink at all. I put a gigantic water bottle next to me and... Should have drank more. 3 hours without drinking. Alright. That's it for this stream. I mean, I'll probably work on it in the evening or something because I'm addicted to coding. But, shoot. No, hold on. We're not done yet. The fences. The fences. I forgot. A clip, alpha clip, save, close, stop this. Alright, that's the end of the stream then, for real. Fences, and they should make a shadow. Although you can't really see it. But they should, in theory, make the fence shadow. Like, not even that bad of a texture, if I say so myself. Kinda whipped it up to try and mimic the one from Mario Kart Wii, and it's honestly not even bad. Alright. See you in the next stream or something. I have no idea when that will be. I don't have a consistent schedule. I'm just streaming when I'm working. Although, usually when I work on the game, I'm not streaming. I don't know. I just felt like streaming today. Thanks for watching. See you later. The code repository is linked in the description. Let me actually just push stuff to it right now. So, I'm working in branch race, though. Because this is I'm supposed to be in the section of like setting up actually like race control, like starting the race and ending the race after 3 laps or whatever. Didn't really get to that yet. I actually needed to fix the level first. So like fix, and commit. See you later.